First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it wasn't too bad of a weekend. We had temperatures running in some cases 50s and 60s, and then some cooler air trying to work in here this morning. Much cooler by tomorrow, and even a weak disturbance that could bring us a little bit of light snow late tonight, early tomorrow morning. I know it's the end of March, but here we go. It's Kentucky weather. And a look at First Alert live Doppler radar showing a clean sweep this morning over southern Kentucky. Temperature at 28 degrees. In fact, temperatures over the last 12 hours have been on a downhill slide. As you see here, we started at 44 degrees at 7 o'clock last evening at the Bowling Green Airport. Since then, we've taken that slide down through the 30s, and we're starting out in the mid-20s this morning, in some cases even the lower 20s. As you look north of us up in Hardinsburg at 21, 25 in Hartford, 26 Munfordville, 24 in Hodgenville, and also Columbia, a chilly 21 in Burkesville. Down in Cumberland County this morning, you throw in a little bit of a light north wind at say 5 to almost 10 miles per hour, and then you start to see some teens showing up in the wind chill factor. 19 up in Calhoun and Hartford, 17 is what it feels like in Madisonville, 15 is what it feels like in Hopkinsville, and it feels like it's 19 right now in Columbia over in Adair County. But we've got a clear sky to start things out this morning on Doppler Cam Live as we're looking off to the east, waiting for the sunrise this morning. We're currently at 26 degrees. Feels like it's 21 though, with that northeast wind coming in at 4 miles per hour. Air quality showing high readings in the pollen count. And again, that's tree pollen that's giving everybody the sneezes and wheezes that we've all been suffering from, the sinusitis. Ozone and molds in the good category. UV index will be running moderately high today. 51 today for Bowling Green around the Barren River Lake area. 52 maybe for Franklin and Scottsville, and then 51 today for Glasgow all around the Barren River Lake area. And by the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $40 million for the Wednesday night drawing, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $20 million. Here is the weather cam live from Litchfield showing 25 degrees in Grayson County this morning. As we go to Franklin, starting to see that blue sky there in Simpson County from our AAA Systems vantage point. 28 there, 24 in Russellville as you're starting out with a mainly clear sky this morning in Logan County. As we look around the radar, we're beginning to see some imagery coming in from the northwest of us, Kansas City down to almost St. Louis. That is some light rain and snow mixed. Most of that is light snow flurry activity. Not everything reaching the ground there, but it is a sign that that next little weak disturbance coming in for us tonight is making some headway off to the south and east. And we'll see some of these clouds beginning to increase as we get into the afternoon. You'll notice some mid and high level clouds that will start to increase from northwest to southeast as we go through the afternoon, and then becoming mostly cloudy tonight ahead of that disturbance. 27 right now at the Bowling Green Airport, and that is pacing about 15 degrees colder than yesterday. High pressure in control today. Should be a dry day around the area, but as we get into the afternoon and evening, some cloudiness will begin to move in. And here's our disturbance, and again, it's rather weak. It's a fast-moving little system. Enough, though, to spit out a little bit of light rain or snow flurry activity, and it may be just some little wet snowflakes that come down late tonight, very early tomorrow morning. And then this feature will move on out early tomorrow morning. I don't anticipate any accumulation or any travel problems out of this. High pressure takes back over for tomorrow, but it will be a chilly day with some pretty stiff northwesterly breezes at around 20 miles per hour. And that's going to make it feel like, well, winter's not quite done just yet. But as you'll see in the 7-day forecast, I think spring is going to make a comeback. Sunny and cool today. 51, 33 tonight with increasing clouds and a chance of rain or snow flurries mixed. No accumulation anticipated. 43 tomorrow with that chance of a snow shower in the morning or flurry. 47 Wednesday, 60. There we go on Thursday. But with that will come a chance of showers and thunderstorms by Thursday night into Friday, 65. And then we keep it in the low to mid 60s for Saturday and Sunday.